Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia, and if you're new here, welcome. On today's video, I will show you how I got my hair from this to this using the Revlon blow drying brush. I posted a poll on my Instagram asking you guys if you would like to see a first impression of me trying this brush, and I got 96% of you guys saying yes to do this video. So we are here recording this video today, and I will give you a live demonstration on how I blow dry my hair, how fast it went, and also my final opinion and how I feel about this product. So if you guys are interested in seeing me trying out this bad boy, then let's get started. Alright guys, so my hair is already washed and prepared for blow dry. What I did to prepare my hair before any heat, I used the new OUAI number 6 bond smoother. This one right here. This is the first time I'm using this, so let's see how good it is. And also I applied a little bit of the OUAI leave-in conditioner. This one right here. That's what I do to prepare my hair. That's just like the normal thing that I would do. I would put products before I put heat into my hair. Usually blow dry my hair with a normal blow dryer and a brush. It takes me about 40 to 45 minutes to only blow dry my hair, and then after I blow dry my hair, I usually straighten it just because I like my hair pin straight since I have a blunt cut. And I straighten my hair for about, it takes me about like 10 to 15 minutes to do that. So overall, my whole hair process takes about like an hour and like 10 minutes. So hopefully this brush cuts down the blow drying time. But yes, so this is the brush right here from Revlon, and I got it at Ulta for $59.99. I know you can buy it at Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, you can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it in a lot of places, but Ulta always has the coupon of like the $3.50 coupon, so I was like, I'm gonna save $3.50, why not? This is the box. I haven't opened it yet. We're gonna open it together. Right here. So the box only brings the brush right here in a bag. So we're gonna take this out. It brings the instructions, but I'm not gonna read the instructions. I'm just gonna go with the flow. And wow, this is the brush right here. It's pretty big. It's like the size of my face. I'm a little bit scared because my hair is short, so let's see how well this works with my short curly hair. The brush itself has it has 3 settings. It has cool, low, and high. So I will be using the highest power because my hair is curly, so I want to finish as fast as possible. I'm like pretty excited, guys, to use this because, you know, anything to make my process faster. It is pretty light. It's not heavy at all, so that's good, I guess. And I'm gonna turn around. The cool, it's cool. I don't think I'll ever use that. Low, the low setting. Low setting is pretty warm. And then the high. Oh yeah, it's really hot actually. Wow. Okay. To start. Right here. It started. I'm gonna put it on high. Oh, my hands are wet. I'll put it on high. Guys, look at this. Wow. I am speechless. Wow, my hair is super soft and it looks so shiny, and that was so fast. Okay, let me not get myself too excited. I'm gonna continue. Oh my god, guys, I am so amazed with this brush right now. Like it's only been 5 minutes. It's only been 5 minutes and I'm already in love with this brush. I'm in love. Like, my hair is so soft. It got my roots pretty good, because when I was looking at reviews, people were complaining about the roots, but my roots are fine. So soft, so shiny. And my ends, like, I just love that when you go like this, you can continue endlessly. Like, you literally can go around and it won't tangle, bro. This is innovation. Where the hell was this brush all my life? Revlon, you got my heart. Honestly, you got my heart. It's been 11 minutes. Just a little check in. My switch turned off. Awesome. Guys, 24 minutes blow drying my hair. I am so speechless right now. How does my hair look this good in just 25 minutes? To be exact, 24 minutes and 26 seconds with 45 whatever that is. Guys, oh my god, this has to be the best blow dryer created in this whole entire universe. Look how nice it looks. It looks like I literally went to a salon and I paid like $40 for it. This is crazy. It's so soft. It's very like bouncy, and the ends, guys, like, I don't do this good of a job when I blow dry my hair. Like, look at the ends. It looks so healthy and shiny. Guys, I am sold. This has to be like the best thing I've ever tried in my hair. And this is coming from a person that has been doing hair for a very long time. I am Dominican, so blow drying hair is like my thing. I'm just gonna have to return my blow dryer. I don't need that shit anymore. I really don't need that. 25 minutes blow drying my hair. 25 minutes. And I haven't even straightened my hair, and this is how good it looks. You guys need to go spend your money. Go buy that ASAP. $60. This is gonna be the best $60 spent in your life. This right here is a freaking deal. This is like, I am never gonna stop using this when I blow dry my hair. This is crazy. So yes, I give this 150%, 500 stars. This is amazing. Whoever created this needs a promotion, needs a raise. They just need to retire because they're all set for life. Like literally, this is the end. El final. El final. I wasn't expecting it to be this good, honestly, guys. I really wasn't, and I am mind blown. So yes, definitely 100% satisfied with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, because I am so happy that this worked out. And if you guys decide to buy this and you try it out and you like it, please let me know. You will not regret it. I am telling you, you will not regret it. If you have curly hair, if you have frizzy hair, if you have short, long, listen, yes, you've seen how curly my hair was, you've seen how short it was. I did not have an issue at all throughout the whole time. So this is my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure that you leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Babe! Look how long this took me.
To do that? Really?
Yes!
Oh, that's cool. So, does that mean that you'll be done in 24 minutes every time?
Yes!
I wish you would have went that sooner.
This is crazy.
You know how much time we would have like saved up?